Whenever you're cooking something and you want to look at the recipe, but the page keeps turning down, or you just don't have a place to organize that, this is the perfect solution. This is something that you can put your recipes on, your book recipes, and then it has different settings. You can do it depending on the angle that you want to take it. So this is the lowest. If you want to just look at it just like that, you also, of course, can put other books, the highest as well that you want to put it on. So the only thing you need to do is just put the book over here, and then if you have your cookbook over here and I just want to look at this recipe, I'm just gonna utilize this to hold the page. That way it's not turning. It has these little plastics over here as well, where that way it's not ripping the page, or it's taking care of the recipe book. And if this is too much, you can just lower it over here, depending on the angle that you want to take a look at your recipe and look at. And then if you're done with that, you can just put it over here, turn it, and you can keep looking at your recipes without any problem. So it's actually a great option for the kitchen specifically. Of course, if you're reading other books and stuff, it's also very useful to have. But in the kitchen, you can just leave it there and have the recipe there permanently and just have it ready for whenever you want to cook something over here. So